Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial series for beginners. In this video, we are going to learn about an important data type in Python, that is dictionary. So what is a dictionary? A dictionary in Python is used to store data in key value pairs. Think it of a real life dictionary where a word is a key and the meaning is the value. Similarly, in Python, you can store key and value pairs in dictionary, where key is the identifier and value is the data. Let us see how we can create a dictionary in Python. Let's go back to our Jupyter Notebook. Let's create a dictionary with name student. And let's say the student dictionary has three keys: name, which we will give in the quotes. So the key of the dictionary is written inside a quote. Then we can give the value. So key colon value. So value is Rahul. Let's add another key, that is age 21. Let's add one more key, marks, as 85. So this dictionary has three keys: name, age, and marks. Name is a string, that is Rahul. Age is integer, that is 21. And marks is also an integer, that is 85. So in dictionary, we can store multiple data types in values. Let's see some important features of a dictionary. So dictionary data type in Python is represented by dict. So let's say I want to check what is the type of the variable student here. Should be dict. Let's execute. Another feature of dictionary is that it is mutable. It can be changed. So we can add new key value pairs to a dictionary. We can remove the existing key value pair from the dictionary. And also we can change the value of a particular key in dictionary. Keys in the dictionary are unique, which means the same key cannot be present two times in a dictionary. Keys are unique and keys are immutable. That means you cannot rename the existing key. You can add the new keys to the dictionary, you can remove the existing keys, but you cannot edit the key of the dictionary. So keys of the dictionary are immutable. However, dictionary is mutable. So this is an important concept. The values can be of any data type in the dictionary, which we saw. We added value of type string, value of type integer, and so on. So values of the dictionary can be of any data type. Now let us see some important functions around dictionary. Let's say if we want to access the values of a dictionary, we can access the value of the dictionary using the keys. So let's say I want to access the value Rahul. How can I do that? The name of the dictionary, that is student, and the square bracket inside that we can give the name of the key. So we got Rahul as the value. The another way to get the value is using get function. So we can use student dot get, and in parenthesis we can pass the key as age. Let's see what it returns. 21. So these are the two ways to access the values of a dictionary. What is the difference between two? The get function does not give an error if the key does not exist. So let's say if I'm trying to access a key which is not there in the dictionary, then get function will not give any error. Let's say I give the organization as the key which is not there in the dictionary. If I execute, I get none. I don't get any error, I get none. But if I do the same thing to the first method, then I will get an key error. So if I give organization here, I will get a key error that organization is not present in the dictionary. Now let's see how we can add new data to the dictionary. We can add new key value pair easily to the dictionary using the square brackets. So let's say student, and I want to add a key named city. So in the square bracket, we can give city as the key equal to the value. Value is dictionary. Value is Delhi. And if I execute it and I print student, I will get a new key added to my dictionary, that is city, and the value is Delhi. There is a new entry in this dictionary. Let's say if I want to update the value in a dictionary. Let's say I want to update marks. So square bracket, marks equal to the updated value. If I execute and print the dictionary, so my new dictionary has marks as 90. There is one more way to update the value, that is using the update function. So we can give student dot update, and in the parenthesis I can give the key and value pair inside curly bracket, marks colon 85. Let's change it back to the original value, that is 85. Let's execute and print the student's dictionary. I'll get 85 as the updated marks. Dictionaries allow modification because they are mutable. We learned that dictionaries are mutable. That is why they allow modification. Let's say I want to remove items from the dictionary. How can I do that? I can do that using pop function. So I want to remove the key age from this dictionary. So I can give pop, and inside parenthesis I can give the key as age and execute. It will give the value of the age, and also it will remove the key from the dictionary. Let us print our dictionary. So age is now not present in the dictionary. There is one more method to remove the keys from dictionary, that is using del keyword. If you want to remove all the key value pairs from the dictionary, you can use clear function. Student.clear, and if I print a dictionary again, I will get an empty dictionary. Let's say you want to access all the keys of a dictionary. How you can do it? You can do using keys function. Let's create our dictionary because we had cleared it. So let's reinitialize it. Then print student dot keys function. So keys function returns all the keys present in the dictionary. If you want to get all the values present in the dictionary, you can use values function. Student dot values. It will give all the values which are present in the dictionary. If you want to get the key value pairs from the dictionary, then you can do student dot items. It will return all the key value pairs. Oops, we got an error as I misspelled the function name. It's items, not item. Let's correct it and execute. I get all the key value pairs from the dictionary. So that's all with respect to dictionary data type. We learned how to create the dictionary. We saw various important functions around the dictionaries. Now it's some practice time. These are some of the questions around the dictionary. Please do practice them. And in case of any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will learn about another important data type of Python, that is tuple.